Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your BlueCrew app, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you delete or remove your bank account from your BlueCrew app? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove or delete your bank account from your BlueCrew app anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a freelancer and you pick up shifts through BlueCrew, you know that they pay you through direct deposit, but maybe you switched bank accounts out and you need to delete your old bank from your BlueCrew app. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the BlueCrew app. It's this blue and purple one here on the top left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open my BlueCrew app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened my BlueCrew app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove your bank account from your BlueCrew app, one thing I want to let you know first off is you do need to have a bank attached. So if you're going to be removing a bank account, you have to replace it with another one before you're able to delete your bank account. And let me show you what I mean. First, you need to click on the hamburger menu here on the top left, these three horizontal lines. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Earnings. It looks like a little bank account. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to open up your timesheet on BlueCrew, and in order to remove or delete a bank account, you need to click on this button here called Payments. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to show all the bank accounts that you have attached to your BlueCrew app. You can see I have two. Now, as you notice, one of the bank accounts I can go ahead and delete by clicking on this blue delete button. This other one, active, I cannot. In order to delete that one, I need to activate this other bank account right here by clicking on activate. Okay, so now it lets me know this bank account is active. This one here on the top is not. So once you've activated the correct bank account and you want to go ahead and delete the other one, what you're going to do is just click on the delete button right here. Okay, next you get this pop-up confirming that you want to delete that bank account. They do let you know that it takes 24 hours for those changes to take place. So if you had direct deposit set up for today, it's probably too late to delete this bank account. It's already going to be sent out. However, if you were making this change at least 24 hours before payments are sent out, then no longer will you receive payments from direct deposit on your BlueCrew app through this bank account. If you still want to go ahead and delete this bank account from your BlueCrew app, go ahead and click on OK. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes and now you can see my bank account has now been deleted and removed from my BlueCrew app. So that bank account, I will no longer receive payments. If you want to use that bank account again in the future, you will need to add it in once again. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to remove or delete a bank account in your BlueCrew app, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.